What is this? It's a bird, isn't it? The birds are similar, so you can name it, no issue. It's a crane. We can say crane, right? This is girl's favorite bird. What is it? Peacock. Do you like it? Yes. That's great. Okay, have it. Wow. What is this? Let's give it to boys. Okay. You have one more toy. Wow. What is this? See. What is this? It's a bird. How many legs does it have? 2. How many of you have birds in your hands? Raise your hand, baby. You can even stand, no problem. Okay. What color is it? Brown. Okay. What color is it? Yellow. Is there any other color?
Black.
Black. Very good, very good. Boy. Okay. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange. Animals. It's term of. Okay. What bird is it? Duck. Have you seen it? Where do they live? Very good, very good. They live in pond. Do they walk? No? Oh, okay. Have you seen duck flying? They walk slowly. Let us name animals. Horse.
Cow.
Cow. Okay. So what are they doing now?
Standing.
These two. They are standing. Okay. They are talking something. Okay. Do they look angry or hungry or calm or cool? How do they look like? Cool, very cool, like you all. Okay? Right, nice. Can you guess what they are discussing? What this cock might be saying to goat? Can you guess?
Sir, you eat lunch.
Okay, you eat lunch. Very good.
Very good.
Hi, how are you? Venka? Do they fight with each other? No. Animals don't fight. Many of animals and birds don't fight. Why? Why don't they fight? They appreciate each other's qualities, isn't it? They have no jealous at all.
Hi.
Oh, wait.
How are you? I am fine. Where are you? I am playground.
I'm playing ground. Going very nice. Shall we make any corrections in this? Just.
I am going to playground.
I am
Good,
going
good,
to
good.
playground. Very good, very good. Thank you very much.
Conversation. Hello friend. Hello friend. Where are you going? I am going to my home. Wait, evening time you will come playground? Yes, I am come to playground.
What she is saying? Hello friend. Because where are you going? Right. I am going my home. Anything missing in this? I am going my home. I am going. Wow.
Nice.
I am going to my home. Very good. Very good. Evening time you will come playground. Okay. The same something missing in this sentence. What is it? Will come is certain. Will you come is a question. Okay? If there is some doubt, we say, will you come to playground in the evening? How should you ask? Will you come to playground in the evening? Are you free in the evening? Shall we join there in the evening? Shall we play in the ground in the evening? In that way you can ask questions. Well done. Yes, I come to playground. Very good, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Hi, and they're only saying hello. Go. What is your name? Where are you from? Has saying, my name is Has. I am from Nallamala. Oh my God, do you know Nallamala forest? Go. How are you? Has, I am fine. What about you? Cow answers, I am fine. What do you want? What do you want? Can you say what do you want instead of what you want? What do you want? Okay? Has says, no, nothing. I am happy like you. Right? Very good, very good. Goat is gives milk. Very good.
Goat is
Okay. Medicine. Okay, okay, very nice. Okay. This milk, duck says, goat gives baby. Then goat is used for mutton. Goat makes for medicine mixed.
Oh.
Goat or eat leaves and drink the water. Goat is a domestical animal. So his ideas are perfect. Even these boys are saying it contains some medicinal values. The only thing is little error in expression. If we make that correction, this conversation is excellent. Okay? Instead of writing goat gives milk, can we say goat gives milk? Thank you very much. Who is he? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. What is in his hands? What is this? Talwar. Great. Sword. In English it is called sword. Right. Before I sum up, I request our teachers for a conversation.
Next, slowly. I am Ali Kumar from Model School Varni. So this is a small conversation between tiger and monkey. Okay, just now we made. Tiger is saying, "Hi, I am a tiger, king of jungle. I can make rules to live all the animals." So okay, so this is the story.